Good morning, students. Your math teachers here. Your today topic is about factors. What is factor and how to find the factors? Factors. A factor is a number that divides into number exactly without leaving a remainder. Another definition: factors are the numbers you multiply to get another number. For instance, factors of 15 are 3 and 5. 3 multiplied 5 is equal to 15. A work example: find the factor of number. Find the factor of number 18. 18 is the question, and always will be a 1 will be a first factor of any number given to you here. 1 multiply 18, and here in definitions I have been explained the numbers divide exactly without leaving remainders. Divide on 2. I'm going to check either 2 is a factor of 18 or not. So I will divide and check it. 2 nines are 18. There is a no remainder. It's mean I put tick here. It's mean 2 9 are the factor of 18. And then 3 divide on 3. 3 6 are 18. There is a no remainder. So it's mean 3 6 are the factors of 18. 6 threes are 18. No remainder. So I will write here. Apply then 4 4s are 16. It's have a remainder, so it's mean I put cross here. 4 is not a factor of 18. Same if divide on 5 table, it's have a remainder. And divide on 9 table, 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. So now circle 1 2 3 6 9 18. The numbers are coming two times, so you just write one time. 6 coming two time, write one time. 9 coming two time, just write one time. So 1 2 3 6 9 8, these are the factors of 18 because these are completely divided on the table. Come to the other example. 23. Find the factors of 23. So the first factor always will be 1. I already explained to you 1 multiply 23. Now divide on 2 table, it's have a remainder. I divide on 3 table, it's have a remainder. Divide on 4 table, 23 divide 4 table, it's have a remainder. So I put cross over there because these numbers are not the factors of 23. Divide on 5, it's have a remainder. 9 twos are 18, it's have a remainder. 7 threes are 21, it's have a remainder. So I divide 2 table 2 till 9, so every time it's have a remainder, so these numbers are not the factors of 23. So 23, just apply table 1 till 9, and after that just 23 divide 1 and 23. So 1 and 23, these are the factor of 23. Now come to the book question. Open the page number 3. Question number 1. Find the factor of 1. 1 is divisible by 1 only. 1. Factors of 2. 2 ones are 2. Just only 1 and 2. The factor of 2. Find the factor of 3. 1 and 3. Factor of 4. 1, 2, 4. Factor of 5. 1 and 5. Factor of 6. You will solve this question on your book. 1 multiply 6, 2 multiply 3, 3 multiply 2, 6 multiply 1. 2 coming 2 time, 3 coming 2 time. So just write 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factor of 6. Factor of 7, 1, 7. Factor of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Factor of 9, 1, 3, 9. Factor of 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factors of these numbers, and this is the just classwork. And now question number 11 till 20, and this is your homework. You will solve by yourself at home. You will write the factors of 11, factors of 12, factors of 13, factors of 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. After solving this table, you will just solve these questions also. Group A, contain a number with exactly one factor. You will look at your answer which you have been solved above. You will just mention that which numbers exactly one factor. Look at this table. only one is have answer just one factor, so you will write there one. Okay, group B contain number with exactly two different factor. Which numbers have only just two different factor, like 2 have two factors, 3 have two factors, 5 have two factors, 7 have two factors. So you will write there in answer 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Group C contain number with a more than two different factors. So you will list down which numbers have more than two factors. So look at your answer. Which number have more than two factors? 6 have more than two factor. 4 have more than two factor. 8 have more than two factors, 9 have more than two, 10 have more than two. So you will list down there which number. After solving question number 1, you will solve the question number 2, which numbers have one factor, which have two factor, which have only more than two factors. So you will solve question number 1 and 2 at your home. You will take pictures and then you will send to me. You can do it on your book as well, and you will take pictures and you will send to me. Thank you.